Today we're doing the text roulette challenge, whatever. So yeah, this is Liz.
Hi.
Yeah, subscribe, she did a video too. We have some names of people in my contacts.
Yes.
And then some sayings that Liz is going to text the people in my contacts.
Yes. Okay.
Anyways, you can choose. I'm kind of nervous. Actually,
This is fine. I liked it.
I just don't want a couple people.
Partner in crime. I don't know. Oh no, we can't do this person because
I messed
they
up.
know I'm here. So
Yeah.
goodbye, partner in crime, whoever you are.
That's my friend Sam.
This person named Kaylee, an imposter Kaylee.
I know, rude. What the heck?
That means you know like 3 Kayleys. Cause yourself.
I know.
At least 3.
I know 3 Kaylee H's. And then 1 Kaylee L, which is me.
I would hope so. We did this one on my channel too, but I haven't been completely honest with you. So.
And then Liz gets to make up what I haven't been honest about.
Also, it's weird because you don't have a pop socket.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're replying.
Oh
right
shoot, they're fast. Okay, about what?
Oh shoot, what do we say? What do we say though?
Oh shoot, she's on the chat.
I didn't plan this. I did not plan this.
I'll just say, so, like, it seems like I'm hesitating,
Okay. I was snooping around your locker. What if I just said I needed to know if you were hiding something?
Yeah. Respond, Kaylee, respond.
Kaylee!
See a little Bitmoji pop up.
I know, it's fun.
Hi. When was
When
this?
Before break?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we just say this is a prank?
Yeah. Send a video. I send a picture of you.
I feel like I recognize that.
Shoot, my phone.
Trevor person.
Oh no, I don't talk to him at all.
Hopefully it's
This is
something
bad.
weird.
Oh, Trevor.
What's this?
No! No!
I didn't know you had this. I'm so glad I didn't get
I wanted you to get it so bad. I didn't tell you about it. And then I got it.
When do you poop at home? Do you drop your pants around your ankles? Or take them all the way off? What kind of question is that? LMAO. Just curious.
Ankles! Oh, I did not want to know that.
This is why I need a pop socket. Nathan.
Why does that have to be all the people I never talk to?
I don't know, man.
Okay, this one is gonna be awkward.
How dare you?
Come on, Nathan.
Come on.
Answer.
PewDiePie tweeted.
Ironic?
We haven't spoken in months.
Yeah, that's perfect. We spoke like 2 weeks ago. No, we didn't.
Should I just say no we didn't? Feeling okay?
No.
Why are you saving?
This is the first time we've been,
I've changed.
Make it so dramatic. I've changed.
It's a prank. This is very short.
That's my mom!
Ma?
Yeah.
Ma?
Her name is Ma on Snapchat.
Oh, jeez. What is this? I lost my cat. We can't
we
do
can't
that.
do that one because she's at home.
Okay, we can't do that for this. Can I see your browser history?
To my mom?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. This sounds like I'm the mom, like talking to the kid. Can I see your browser history?
Yeah. Oh,
Actually, she's gonna watch this video. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Kaylee's mom. I just want to know.
Yeah.
Is this a joke?
Darn. I mean, you could look if you want. Pretty boring.
Oh my god.
No thanks.
No thanks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. She did another video of text roulette.
Where she had to text my contacts, yeah.
Watch the video. Subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Oh my.
Como se llama?